Pretty far walk, old man. Should have just hung out in the hay. Oh, we got the two heathens up here. They got their shock collars on just in case. But absolutely gorgeous day. So welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead, or welcome to whatever this is your first time. We are tapping maple trees finally. It has been a winter to remember for so far. We still got ice on the ground, as you can see. Pretty slick. I still have chains on the tires. Get around.
Chains on my boots.
Yeah, she's even got Yaks tracks on. It's pretty slick. But maybe another day. But so we're gonna start tapping trees and take you along. We're gonna do red maple and hard maple, sugar maple. So we're gonna do them all, and we're gonna tap as many trees as we can. Try to maybe sell a little bit this year. So, all right, we're gonna get you going. It's pretty windy today. We got rain, on and off rain today, but right now it's beautiful.
On the road, headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scenes. Big birds were singing in the tall.
There it comes. There it comes.
Where's the hole?
Right here.
Where's your finger?
It's running.
It's focusing.
Oh my God, you put the lid on.
Yeah, I don't want to be chasing lids.
And number two on this
Tap
tree.
that in.
Yeah, well, let me grab this one.
In the shade. Can you see that nectar?
Look at it running. Collect that. Oh, it's not big enough for two. All right.
All right, so we got 2 ports, 2 taps.
That's not
Here, did you tap that one in?
Oh.
We don't want to miss any.
Oh, I can find a rock. Can't find a rock.
Here, right behind. Here, I'll get it. Well, that's all you do. And then you check your buckets daily. If the temperatures are right at night.
Oh, look. The goats see a bucket, so they think they got food coming. Huh? So we're down close to the goats now. And just did this one. Was gonna do this one. Yikes. I'm gonna have to take care of that. That's like Widowmaker. Luckily I don't think it'll break anything, but that thing is Wow. All the way down. Clean down. And it's definitely going to do some crash and burn over into there. All right, gonna keep going. We had to take a restock. So, oh, give it a rest. Give it a rest.
Poor starving animals. Last bucket. It's raining. It's been raining for the last, I don't know.
Hour.
The dogs are soaking wet and filthy.
Yep, she's running. You get a wind deterrent. I think we've used all the ink, or we've used everything, right?
Yeah, all the spiles.
All the files and pretty much all the buckets.
Yeah, let's see. We have one bucket, but we don't have any more spiles. We have a few lids. Oh. Drill, tap, repeat.
All right.
It is so worth the end. Good job.
Yep.
Now let's keep our fingers crossed that we get a good run. Last year was cut short, wasn't it?
Yeah, it didn't do good last year. I mean, we still ended up with what, 6 gallons?
Ish, yeah.
Yeah, 6 gallons. So 6 times, that's 240 gallons of sap we boiled off. So, and we had, look at that. I never drilled that.
It's a good thing we came back up here. We forgot to put a rock on one of the lids. Let's see.
I never tapped that tree.
No.
Just sitting there. Poor thing.
That won't be a good producer as it sits.
No. I'd be pretty mad that thing wasn't full.
Oh. It's difficult tromping around the woods out here. So it's tiring. And depressing at the same time because you notice all the rotten trees and the trees that have to come down. What, one bad maple that you saw?
Yeah, one bad maple and a dozen bad cherries. Woodpeckers are just
Destroying them.
destroying them.
And you can see there's like no open area for a tree to fall cleanly without it getting hung up into something else.
Plus that big maple, a giant maple, it's probably bigger than my sawmill can do. It's bad. All the bark's falling off of it.
So I want to tap a few black walnut trees. Just to try it, even though I can't have it, but I just want to try it and see what it's like. Hey, you could sell it. You could make $270 for a gallon of black walnut syrup.
It takes 75 gallons of sap.
Well, you're up here.
And that's, a whole different set of everything.
All right, so we just left the last bucket that we forgot to tap, and we looked over. And what can you see?
That's an hour and a half.
See that line? That's sap already. An hour and a half. Oops. Holy smokes, let her run. Just a quick note. Mike says, oh, bring the dogs. They won't get dirty. Hold on. Look at, they won't get dirty up in the woods.
2 hours. It's already that much. It's probably, I don't know, 3 inches in. Hey! 3 inches in there already. Woohoo! I'm on it.
So, hubby says, let's bring the dogs. They won't get dirty up in the woods. What do you see? Look at that. Where's your butt? Hey! Oh, nice one, Willow. How ladylike. Look at that back end. Oh, my Lord. Happy dogs. All right.
All right. I think we're going to
Go get warm.
go get warm. It's been raining on us and the sun's going in. And yeah. So tomorrow.
Hopefully these buckets are full.
Yeah, it'd be awesome if they're full. So
It's going down to 33, so can you hear the rain?
yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. The next one will be collecting and boiling. So hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and yeah, appreciate you watching. Have a good one.